Hi guys, welcome. Tonya here. I review products and services. That's what my channel's about. I am a MONAT market partner, but I don't just review MONAT products. Today I'm talking about the new Damage Repair Line. And I did a thing. I went and I washed my hair because I was trying it for the first time and I really wanted to see the difference. I've been using MONAT products for 1.5 years and I washed my hair like this. Could have parted it a little bit better, but I have a calic right there. But I wanted to do it for the comparison so that I really could see. I mean, imagine if I was doing it against, if you're not using MONAT products, the bigger difference that you're going to see. But since I've been using MONAT products, I haven't cut my hair since May. It's October. Eek. I have approaching 50. I have a 5 and a 7-year-old. Summer's really busy, and then both of my kids just got hurt not so long ago within the last couple of weeks. So it's been kind of crazy, but I am going to get it cut. I have an appointment in 2 weeks. So my point is, it had some damage. So I thought, what a great time to try out the line. It's brand new, and to see the comparison and what I could show you on how it was different. So this side of my hair, I washed with the new Damage Repair Line. I used the shampoo, I used the bond building, I used the mask, and then I used the leave-in conditioner. So it was an extra step, okay? We'll put a link below to all of the products in case you have interest in my site. Follow me along. I also have a Facebook group, so I do testimonials and reviews all the time, and would love for you to join there. It's changed my skin and my hair today. My private Facebook group. This side I washed with what I've been using for the last 1.5 years. Love, Renew, Replenish, and the leave-in mask. I didn't use any other products. I love the blowout cream, and my hair is naturally curly, but I didn't use it today because I didn't want to sway the results of the products just by washing with the shampoo and conditioner lines. I use the heat protectant spray because I did blow it out. The blow dryer is hot, and I want to protect my hair, so I just use this. I didn't use the Shine, which I love the Shine. Here's the link for that, because if you haven't used the Shine product from MONAT, I stopped flat ironing the ends out of my hair because it kind of just gives me that refined finish with just a couple of sprays. It's amazing. So watch that video too. But the MONAT products have changed my hair. They changed my daughter's hair. And you can see what they're saying. I wanted to agree that it's soft to the touch. It's silky. You know, you've got all the science behind it, but I really am more about what am I feeling? How does it make me feel? And I wanted to show that to you. This side is Renew, which again, I love it. And I can pull my fingers through it, but there is a distinctive difference. This side's already starting to get a little frizzy. My naturally curly hair has a tendency to pull up. And I used to have to flat iron my hair in order to keep it straight, but now with MONAT products, I don't have to do that anymore, which is amazing. So it is shiny, silky, smooth, and this side's just giving a little bit more frizz. It's starting to pull up. So I'm going to see what it does in the next couple of days and how it compares. And obviously, if anything, the more you use something, the better it's going to get. We all have damage to our hair. I mean, I colored it not too long ago. We've got all these hot tools that we use, so we all could use a little damage repair every now and then. I'll put the links below. Follow me on my Facebook group, Change My Skin and Hair Today. I'll also put that in the description. And I'd love to see you again on another video. Subscribe. Talk to you soon. Bye, guys.